Yeah?
Mommy, please!
What?
Mommy, please!
What do you want?
Mommy, please!
I don't know what. Thank you, Angeline. Bigyan kita ng jacket, Angeline. I don't know what she's saying, please.
Mommy!
What?
Okay, honey, it's time for us to leave for your dentist appointment. Oh, don't be nervous, sweetie. She's just gonna take a look inside your mouth and see how great you've been doing taking care of your teeth.
Ano mo mga? Saba mo.
Tuwa ra siya.
Hindi ko sinasabi.
Bawal na. Pia Lee. Thank you, Pia Lee.
Ha? Move, Joe. Move, lipat ko.
Hi, Pia. Thank you, Pia. I need water. Yes. Cheers, sabi ni Pia. Happy weekend to all of you. She's a hard case. Update lang. Nakalimutan. Anong chika?